So this is Schoology. If you go under courses, these are all the classes I take. I take advanced algebra, trigonometry, chemistry, English, geometry, history of Christian art, PE, and Spanish. So, for example, if you were to click on one of your classes, your upcoming assignments would be under here, and the class agenda and all the homework is under here. And under here is, just for example, this is Unit 1, so this is what we would be learning for this unit in trigonometry. And then if you click the SHC, then it takes you back home. And under here is all announcements that teachers or other students post. And then here is all my upcoming homework along with the schedules for each day. And then you can search for things here in the search bar. And then here's a calendar up here. And then here is messages where you can contact teachers or they post stuff, and these are more notifications. Also, if you go under groups, this is groups that you can join. Some of these are required, but so I had like women's ensemble because I was in that last year, and I have chorus here, which I'll be in this year as well. And then you can also go to resources, and then all of your grades are listed under here. So you can look at your grade report, mastery, and attendance. Let's see. My favorite class that I take is probably Spanish. It's a little hard, but the teacher's really good. And yeah, as you can see here, this is homework that was due today. So you can just click into that. And then I also like geometry. Yeah. And then Schoology. I like using Schoology, and they just updated it, and I like the new update. So yeah, it's super easy to use and to move around. It's not hard to find anything on it, and it's helpful when it comes to looking up grades and homework. And yeah.